Hello traders, so in this video I'm going to analyze the chart and will place very small trade. This video is about the analysis and not about the trading strategy. I have posted a similar video previously and you guys loved that video and were asking me to create more such videos. So here we are. Let's try to analyze the chart by using candlestick analysis and support and the resistance level. So as you can see, we are on Euro US dollar chart. This is 1 minute candlestick chart and we'll try to draw the levels first, and after that we will try to understand where the market is going and the reason why. So first of all, I can see that we have got a support zone here, you can see, and I guess we'll wait for this candle. If this candle closes above the support level, the chances are there that market will reverse. The next candle will be a bullish candle, and the reason is because if market failed to break the support level, the buyers will involve and they will shoot the market in the upside direction. So right now, as you can see, market reverses from the very level, and let's see if we are getting any confirmation below these level. Let's try to take a trade. If I get a confirmation, I'm going to place a trade because I guess this is a good trading setup. Let's see, let's wait. Yes, so we got the confirmation. You can see the rejection came from the very support level and you can see market is going up. Now the reason why why I place this trade is because you can see this is a strong support level. Market is respecting this level for a very long time, and this is a consolidated market, or you can say that this is a ranging market. And we all know that in a ranging market move from the support to the resistance and back. It came back to the support again, and that's what is happening right now. You can see market is going up, it is hitting the resistance, coming back down to the support and again going up. So I use the same. Market goes down, tried breaking the level but failed, it rejected back. Again market goes down and got rejected back from the support level, and that's why this is the reason why I place this trade, because the wick shows the rejection and the candlestick also shows the market weakness. Now in a ranging market moves from support to the resistance. As this is a support level and market reverses from this level, the next stop for the market will be the resistance, and you can see market actually reached the next resistance, which is here. So let me draw these levels also so that you can understand what I'm trying to teach you. Don't worry about the trades, I'm just here to analyze the market. So you can see market rejected back from the support, it goes up and hit the resistance, and that's how a ranging market works. Now the chances are still there that market reverse from the resistance level and again goes down and hit the same support level. So it will continue to move like this until there is a breakout. So as we are trading, we are using a smaller time frame, 1 minute time, so we can take trades in a ranging market. But when you are trading over a bigger time frame, a ranging market is the riskiest one, so you should avoid them. You can trade when there is a breakout, but if the market is moving in a range, you should avoid that until and unless the range is very big. So it means that, like, if the range is up like 10 pips or like 20 pips, then you can use that for a trading opportunity. But when the zone, you can see this is a very small range, it's very narrow, so you can't have enough time to place it. And you can see market again reverses from the resistance, is going down, and the chances are very much that market will going to hit the support and again going to reverse. But there are still condition when market can break this level, but as this is a ranging market, so market will keep moving until there is a breakout, and we all know that at the end market is going to break from either of these sides and will continue to form a new trend. So right now market is ranging, and from resistance it needs to go to this support, and you can see it's very near to this support level, and we can see some wick and some rejections also. So right now let's wait for this candle. If this candle tried going down but failed to close below the support level and got rejected from the support level, the chances are very much that market will move again in the upward direction. And that's how you should analyze the candlestick. You can see market reverses back. It got rejected from the lower level from here, and you can see it is moving. So that is how a ranging market moves. So if you are trading over smaller time frame, you can use that range to place your trades, but if you are trading over bigger time frame, try to avoid them. So right now the situation is very clear. Market is in a range. So what can we do in such case? We should always take trades in the range, at the edge of these range, like from the support level or from the resistance level. Don't try to take trades in between, because market can reverse from the middle of that range. But if you are at a resistance, the chances are very much that market will reverse from that resistance, because it has nowhere to go but to go down, and same goes for the support. But when the market is in between, it can reverse, and after that it can continue to go up. So always avoid taking trades when the market is moving in between a range. You can take trades when it is at the edge. So you can see market now, if we go by analysis, market, this is also a resistance level. You can see this is the previous resistance which was working very fine, and market is very near to that level. But as it is getting let's try to draw a trend line. Actually here I can see, we'll create a line here. Okay, so this is a line which I draw because I'm seeing that market is actually respecting this level, so we can analyze this as well. So right now market is forming a descending triangle pattern, and we all know that when a descending triangle like this formed, the chances of breakouts are majorly in the favor of downtrend. Like the breakout will happen in the downward direction. This is how a descending triangle work. I'm not saying that when a descending triangle form, the breakout will always happen in the downtrend, but the chances of a breakout in the downward directions are much higher. So as you can see, market is again going down, is going to hit the support again, and guess what, we can expect that market will reverse again. So these are the expectation that you can consider by analyzing the chart. You can see the weakness in the market, the constant rejections from the support level, and so that's how you should analyze the chart. Now let's try to take 2 or 3 analysis trade also, and we'll finish this video after that. So right now as you can see, and market is actually respecting the whole zone. So this is the support, and let me remove this. So this is the support and this is the resistance line, a trend line which market is respecting. Right now market, you can see it is at the support again, and the chances are still there that market will reverse in the upward direction. So what we will do, we are going to use that opportunity. If market goes down and the lower level rejected the market in the upward direction, we can place a trade for sure. So let's see, let's wait for a rejection. Okay, market is going down. You can see market is trying. Okay, I can see some volume. Market is trying really hard to break, and let's see if we can consider this as a breakout. I will include the wick also. So it is not a clear breakout, but still the market closes below the level, and as I was saying you that a descending triangle shows that the breakout will happen in the downward direction, but this is not a clear breakout, so I'm not saying that this is a breakout and the market will go in the downward direction, but it's still a thing to consider. So right now the situation is very clear. Market break the range that it was moving previously, and the chances are there that market will go in the downward direction. So we have to wait for that. Right now the situations are not in anybody's favor. Market is at the support level, which was previously support. Now I'm not sure if it is working as a resistance, because it could be a fake out and we still have to use this as a support. But if this is a breakout, this level can work as a resistance in the future, but only if market respected this level. And I can see a whole number level actually here. The next support level for the market is here and here. So this is a support zone the market can respect once there is a breakout. You can see market again is going in the upward direction. So market moves in the upward direction again, but right now the situation is telling us that market should be going down. If we go by analyzing the chart, the price action here and here shows that market is actually forming lower highs, so market should be going down, and you can see it is going as we are expecting it to go. The price action never fail, so you should keep understanding and focusing on the things that market wants to tell you. Right now market is forming lower highs. This is a lower low, I can say. So the market needs to be forming the next lower low in order to keep moving in the downtrend according to this price action. And here also as you can see, market is rejecting from the support level, which is a whole number actually. Let me include that one. So you can see this is a number which is 1.14200. It's quite a good whole number, and that's why market is respecting this number. Market previously, I think we have to use this as a support for the market. Market is actually if there is a breakout, one thing that I want to tell you is if there is a breakout from this support level, the chances are really high that market will shoot in the downward direction, because it's a whole number and it is holding the market. You can see the rejection, it was quite strong, but still it's a downtrend according to the price action, so it needs to move in the downward direction. And if there is a breakout from that whole number, the chances are very high that market will go. Okay, you can see market is closing above the level, so we can use that, and I hope that the next candle will be a bullish candle according to my analysis. I'm just waiting for a confirmation here. No confirmation as of now, and you can see it's a it's a breakout situation. So the next support level is here. Market needs to respect these level, either of these level, and I guess that market is going to respect this level. This is a clear support level. Market previously respected this level as a resistance because it was previously working as a good support level. Market closes at the very edge of that support level, and right now it is going up. So what you should be doing in such cases is not taking the trade from the support level, because it's not an extreme level, it's a good support level. So market can reverse from this level, but the chances are very less. But if market goes up, the chances are strongly high that market will reverse back in the downward direction. So what we will do here, we'll wait for the market to go up, and if the candlestick shows that market is weak and should be reversing, we are going to place a trade once we have the confirmation. So right now, as you can see, it is trying to go in the upward direction. This is the resistance that market is respecting. You can see here it was previously respecting this as a support, so we can use that again. We need some price action also, and okay, this trend line is getting steeper, and steep trend lines don't work. The angle needs to be very linear. It should not be, see, if you are drawing your trend line like this, the chances are there that it is going to fail. You should understand that the angle of the trend line needs to be linear. It should not be let's talk about the degrees. Let's if there is an angle of 45 to 50 degrees, it's a good trend line. But if you are drawing a trend line having an angle of 70 degree or 80 degrees, then it is going to fail miserably. So you need to understand that also. Try to draw the trend line which actually looks great and are actually the market is respecting those trend line. Don't try to just draw them because you are seeing some points matching like this. See, this can work as a trend line and the angle is looking good, but still it's a steep trend line for me, so I will not going to use it. So coming to the point, the analysis part, let's bring it back. Okay, so market respected this whole number and reverses back, but at the end it is going to break the level because it's a downtrend market. So right now the range is still simple. This is the resistance, this is the support. So we can use the resistance because it's a downtrend market. It's not a ranging market anymore. Market is market is stuck here with the price action, but still it's a downtrend market, so it needs to be moving in the downward direction. So you can use that resistance to place the trade if the candlesticks support that. So suppose if this candle closes below the resistance level, the chances are there that the next candle will be a bearish candle. You can see market reverses very quickly from the level. Let's see. Okay, it is going up. I can see some strong move by the buyers, but the support and the resistance needs to be considered. This is the resistance. It is we can say it's a lower high, so we can expect that market will going to respect this because it's a downtrend. If we talk about this chart only, I'm not saying the previous, but if you look carefully here, we can see that it's a downtrend, and this is the lower high, which can work as a strong resistance level for the upcoming market. And market is moving in the downward direction again. So we have to wait. I think it will take some more time. The analysis needs to be correct. Right now, as we are trading, as we are looking for 1 minute trades, you need to be very focused. You can't just place your trade based on your random expectations. So you can see the same thing happen as I told you, that if market goes up, it needs to reverse because the trend is downtrend. The chances are still very high. Market reverses, as you can see, there is no clear resistance level here. You can draw the zone, and the zone will be this big, so I will try to avoid such a range, because when the zones are like compressed, I trust them more rather than using a broader level, because I will not be very confident if the market will going to respect this level or will reverse from that. So right now we can say that market respected this resistance. So this is the level. I'm not drawing a zone here. If you want me to draw the zone, I will create a zone. So we can use this because I want to include these rejections as well. So this is the resistance. Market is again going up and it is trying to hit the resistance again, and I guess that in the next 2 or 3 minutes market can reverse and can go in the downward direction. Let's wait. We can still anticipate. We can't be sure 100% of the time. And market is at the resistance level. Now in such case, what we can do, we can wait for this candle to finish. If this candle closes at the very level, the chances are like 80% that the market will form the next candle as a bearish one. But if market break this level, we can't be sure, because it could be a fake out or a breakout. So market is going up. The next resistance is here. I don't think so that market will give us a breakout. So let's reverse the, okay. So it closes just at the level. So we can't say if this is a breakout or a fake out. I'm going to use the next resistance. It worked here as a resistance, so we can wait. Now in such case, if this candle closes at like below the level, the chances are there that market will reverse, because it was previously working as a resistance, and it is a strong level of resistance, as it was it is a lower high. So you can see this candle is going to finish in the next 15 seconds. So we have to wait for this candle. If this candle finishes below, the chances are very high market will reverse. So I'm just waiting. I can see some rejections also. So market is showing some weaknesses. Okay, you can see it rejected back very quickly, and I placed the trade. Why? The rejection came right in this candlestick. I didn't wait it. Market rejected back. It goes up again. But the main thing here is that market respecting this resistance level, and this is clearly a good entry point. Market can break from the from this level, but as this level is tested like the first time, and market rejected back very quickly, and that's why I'm trusting this level. See, nothing is 100%. You can't say that this is the level. It's never been tested before, so we should be putting our money here. But the chances are there that you can lose the trade. So you need to understand that risk management is very important. This level was strong. I was previously talking about the same level, because it is, according to the price action, it needs to stop the market from forming the next higher high. Why? Because if market forms the higher high, the trend, this downtrend will be finished, because according to the price action, if market formed higher high, it is going to go up. So this lower high, if we look on this downtrend, will work as a great resistance, because it needs to stop the market if it wants this existence to continue, and that's why I trusted this level. We got rejection, the candlestick were also in our favor, and we won the trade. So that's how you can analyze the market too. I'm not saying that I know everything about the market, but what I learned from the past 6 or 7 years of experience, I'm just sharing it with you. And I can't use fancy stuffs to animate things. This is all I can do to explain you on a raw chart. So I hope that you have learned something out of this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. We'll answer you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.